I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer money from Affirm to Payoneer, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Log into Affirm. Start by accessing your Affirm account through their website or mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Step 2. Check your balance. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard to check your available balance. This is the amount you can transfer. Step 3. Initiate a transfer. Look for the option to withdraw or transfer funds. This may be labeled as transfer to bank or something similar. Select this option. Step 4. Enter Payoneer details. When prompted, enter your Payoneer account information, including your account number and any required identifiers. Double-check for accuracy to avoid delays. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, transfers can take a few business days to process, so don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. If you run into any issues, checking the transaction history in both accounts can help clarify the situation. Good luck with your transfer.